an example of what I have for breakfast often. I could have it 3 times a day and never gain a pound. You want to know why? Let's go over here to the table. Now, this waffle is made of 1 egg and a tablespoon of coconut flour. No salt, no nothing, no sweetener. I have 5 slices of bacon here, and I have about half a cup of, or 1/4 a cup, whatever, it doesn't matter, of blueberries with a ton of butter, as you can see when that butter's melting, because I put these blueberries with butter in a little pot until it's nice and hot, because I keep frozen blueberries in my freezer at all times, and mostly strawberries too. So that is my breakfast. I could add a couple of eggs and it would not affect my weight at all. This is called a carnivore diet, or you could say ketovore because of the blueberries. I think a carnivore diet would be more just total meat with, just meat, water, and salt. So this is ketovore. I add the blueberries. I actually do not suffer with this diet at all. And I lost 30 pounds and it stayed off beautifully now. And I just want you to know how easy it is and how many good things you can have. And I'm talking, I make my own homemade ice cream. I'm going to even show you this ice cream. I have to turn my camera around. This is a creamy egg yolk. Actually, I even used egg whites in there. But cream, solid heavy cream, and strawberries. And it is delicious. Takes about 2 or 3 minutes, 5 minutes to thaw out. And I eat it like, I'll eat a quarter of it at a time. And I fill 2 of these, and they're in my freezer. And you can make chocolate. You can make chocolate ice cream. You can make peach. Whatever you want. The sky's the limit, right? So I am going to now enjoy my beautiful breakfast. I forgot something. I'm putting whipped cream on this. Yeah, just whipped cream, no sugar, but it's stevia, so it tastes very sweet. Here it is. I keep it in the fridge. And here it is. That is the breakfast for a king or a queen. Hey there. Hey, if we don't have a good reason for doing something, we probably won't do it, right? So we have to reprogram our minds and our subconscious about this sugar and carb habit, because it's a bad habit. That is why I can actually go to the grocery store and pass up favorites like cinnamon rolls, chocolate donuts, some of my favorite things, spaghetti and rice dishes and stuff like that. And the reason is because I watch enough videos, I do enough reading to see, to know, and to understand what these products that we're putting into our bodies are doing to our bodies. Our bodies are continuously struggling with what to do with sugar, what to do with all these carbs. It's not natural for this form to have to deal with all of that. So keep it in mind. Take a look at people that are 79 years old, like I am, almost. I'm almost 79 in September, and it is May. Yeah. 3.5 months, and look at how they walk, how their hair is, all of that. And I've been doing this a lot of my life, though I did get burned out on it, and I took it a little bit lighter I was very strict when I was very young, and then I kind of lightened up, and then I had to reprogram the sugar carb habit again. But once you know, and you go to the grocery store and you pass up 95% of everything that is in there. Don't think I still enjoy my chocolate chips. I use a very dark chocolate, which is high in antioxidants, I hear. And plus, I just have to have, or I feel like I can have them fine. I don't overdo it. I buy a small bag about once a month, and I eat on that when I feel a craving for chocolate. I also keep coconut flour, and I keep eggs and bacon. So right now I'm having a blueberry waffle made with coconut flour and an egg, no sugar, no salt, no nothing. And I have 5 slices of bacon. I have about a half a cup of blueberries and whipped cream on top. Now, this is a diet food. You can't even believe you can eat like this. So if you want to know more, get in touch with me and I'll do a video on how I stay slender and healthy and feeling good. Your joints take a beating with sugar and carbs. My joints feel fine unless I abuse it and eat a big hunk of bread, which I do sometimes. And I know what I'm getting myself into. And I've experienced a lot of this. I'm no doctor. I'm not a nutritionist, but I have been working with this for many years, this kind of nutritional thinking. So if you're interested, let me know and I'll do a video in more depth. Let me know what you're interested in and I can talk about that, okay? Bye-bye.